everyone. So recently we have changed our accounts BI module, business intelligence view. So how come now it look like and how helpful it will be for you? So let us go to our business intelligence first. Click on browse modules and click on report and intelligence. Now here in report and intelligence, you must have seen that in our previous release, we changed the UI and UX of sales and purchase, inventory and production. Same we have done with the accounts BI. So now you can see that here is the accounts BI where you will be able to quickly have a look on your accounts overview. Like, please check the very first is month to date, amount received, amount paid. Now here is the pending receivables, payables, overdue in next 7 days. As per the detail, you can check. Now here is the your receivable. So in this particular segment, you may be able to see the calendar view, aggregate view, that exactly you receive, which are your receivable and how in how much time it is coming. You can quickly go ahead and click on this, and accordingly the remaining data will be displayed in the top 5 documents of August. Your payables and your 5 documents of payables as well will be displayed. Now if I go below, your cash flow, that means how much is received, how much is paid, receivable, payable, that will help you in making your entire profit and loss statement. Or if I may, not the exact profit and loss statement, it will not be like the report, but here you can get a tentative idea for the same, how come the company is growing, where exactly you need to focus. Now here is the accounts aging where you will be able to see that how much receivable or payable is 0 to 3 months old, 4 to 6 months old, and accordingly you can check it. So this is how we have made some changes in the same for your convenience and for your better understanding. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to see your accounts PI. Have a good day ahead.